Let's get real for a sec. You've tried YouTube before, right? You uploaded some videos, maybe got a few views, but then crickets. No sales, and you just kind of gave up. But what if I told you that YouTube is still a thing in 2026? Yeah, even if you're just starting out and you don't want to show your face on camera? Pretty cool, huh? So today, I'm diving into a fresh review of this new product from JVZoo called YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy. I'm going to break down what it is, how it works, who it's meant for, and if it's really worth your hard-earned cash or not. So stick around till the end before you make any decisions, okay? You don't want to miss it. YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy is like the holy grail of training, and it's about to blow your mind. This is tailor-made for you if you're a total newbie, if you've dabbled in YouTube and crashed and burned, or if you're just itching for traffic, leads, or those sweet, sweet affiliate sales. And let's be real, if the YouTube algorithm feels like some ancient hieroglyphics to you, this is your lifeline. Now, let me be crystal clear. This isn't some boring software. It's a powerhouse combo of training and strategy laid out in a way so simple. Even your grandma could get it. Here's the deal. This system is so straightforward it practically does the work for you in just 3 mind-blowing steps. Step 1 asterisk you'll uncover the secrets of how YouTube operates in 2026. What videos are getting the golden ticket from YouTube? What colossal blunders are sending channels straight to the grave? Why in the world are most people stuck in the viewless void? Step 2 asterisk it's all about the content strategy, baby. What kind of videos will make your audience scream? Take my money. How to pick topics that aren't just clickbait, but actually draw in the buyers. How to transform casual viewers into your loyal fan base. Not just another number on the view count. Step 3 asterisk get ready to learn the art of monetization. Affiliate marketing that actually works, no more guessing games. Traffic generation so powerful, you'll feel like a digital rock star. Turning your videos into income-generating assets that'll have you rolling in the dough. And guess what? Everything is laid out step by step, so you won't have to deal with any of that techie nonsense that makes your head spin. So what the hell are you waiting for? Dive into YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy and unleash your inner YouTube titan. Here are the main features of the program. Beginner-friendly training. Simple technology requirements. Clear YouTube strategy explanations. Applicable for affiliate marketing. Suitable for faceless channels. Low-cost entry product. Easy-to-follow modules.